Introduce highlight features or overview of maXpeedingrods portable inverter generator, 3000 watt/3300 watt. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful 4-stroke OHV engine capable of delivering 3000 running watts and 3300 peak watts, enough to run all major appliances used at most of the job sites, excluding welders, and for the RVs. 2x 120 volts 20 amp household outlets, 1 port 120 volt, 30 amp, RV-ready outlets, and 2 port USB outlets for charge mobile devices including smartphones and tablets. Provide pure sine wave reliable power for computers and other sensitive equipment. Digital LCD with low oil LED alert, overload LED alert, output ready LED alert, AC breaker, and reset breaker. Easy to monitor usage, ensure safety in use, and prevent accidents. Up to 8.3 hours of run time on a 1-gallon gas tank, features eco mode for maximum fuel efficiency. At only 47 pounds, is one of the lightest 3300 watt inverters in the industry. Power to weight ratio is the best. Ideal for placing in cars and RVs as mobile backup power in case of extreme conditions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.